Hello everyone, my name is Christoph. I'm global artist for KMS from Vienna, Austria. I'm really excited to show you my hero product from KMS today. It is the HAIRPLAY Styling Gel. I'm just in love with this gel. It is not flaky, you can create really long-lasting looks, and it's easy to apply. I'm gonna show you my favorite wet look on myself today. Here I use quite a bit of gel, but also I prepped my hair before with the THERMASHAPE straightening conditioner and also the THERMASHAPE straightening cream. See here in the back as well. It just helps me like to distribute the product nice and even in my hair. And I just like start applying it on the roots and middle length. I quite like to have the top more like this kind of straight back and just like the texture of my fingers in. I really like to get like this little corner out here. I cut quite a bit off of my sideburns, so even the other side. This is the front, loosen it up a little bit again. And that's it already. And just to kind of make it stay the whole night, just like spray it. And here we go. That will be my going out look. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys. Bye.